Hello, civil engineers. Welcome back to the lecture. So we'll try to do a Excel sheet where we can, get the quantities for the slope footing. Okay. So what I'll do, always it's better you mention all these things here. That you will write the length here. Okay, the breadth part here, footing breadth, and then you can even tell length is over, breadth is over. This is overall depth. Then you require a small depth, isn't it? That then you mention this as small d, and this will be a h. So once this is done, you bring it at the center, okay, and then you can give the color to that, and let me increase the size to that. Okay, fine. So once this is done, make it in this way so that looks good. Now, if you want, you put the border there. Go here and say all borders. One thing is done. Okay, fine. So first PCC, anyhow, it's very simple. If you want, I can even do for the PCC also. We'll do that, not an issue. Here, what we do, no, you write here PCC offset, PCC offset, so that everything uh, we can bring in a single line. PCC offset. No, we'll not do the PCC and all. Not required. We'll do the other things. Okay, because we want column dimensions also, no. So what I'll do is bring one column here. I want column dimension. I'll write here breadth of the column, uh, the depth of the column. Okay, breadth is done, depth is done, and then I require that offset. I require the offset of the column, right? What offset is that? This one, 0.0.07. I'll write here column offset, okay, for our understanding. So that you just have to input everything later. Column offset. Done. This much is understood. Okay, this much is enough for us. Rest things we can manage. Okay. Yeah. So PCC quantity I'll not do. It's very simple. You just have to take the length, breadth, and depth, length, breadth, and thickness of PCC, and then you can do it. See, because PCC, the stone soiling quantity, sand filling quantity has nothing to do with the slope footing. The method is same. Even you do for the rough footing, even you do for the isolated footing. So not an issue. Only the problem is with the concrete quantity. We'll do that. Now, what is the footing length? So I'll take it as 3.8. Breadth I'll take 2.6. Overall depth was 0.6, and this small depth was 0.35. And this you should not write here. Okay, this h you should not write. You have to say equal to sign overall depth minus 0.35. So automatically it will take the value. Now if I take, instead of 0.7, if I take 0.8, automatically it will get updated. So this is how you have to prepare the Excel sheet. So this B is a column breadth. Okay, I'll take 0.4, and column depth, okay, 0.5, and that offset I'm taking 0.075. Okay, this is 0.075. This much is clear. Yeah. So once these things are done, so we'll start with the concrete quantity. I'll write here, I'll write footing concrete. Okay, footing concrete. This is rectangular portion, rectangular. Okay, okay, we have to, I'll do it in this way. So if this goes outside, just select that and say merge at center, and now wrap text. Okay, it will look good. If you want, you can bring at the center. Concrete rectangular portion, and this, if you want, you change it to some other color. Okay, done. Fine. So how we are going to do this? Footing concrete quantity will be, I want the length. So concrete quantity, I'll bring it here only. I'll merge this part. Okay, equal to sign. I'll take, I want the length. I'll multiply the length by the breadth. I'll multiply that by the, which one? Depth. Which depth is that concrete quantity? The small depth. Okay, that's it. Finish. 3.458. We got previously 3.46. Same thing I'm getting here. So I'll reduce this one, and I'll bring it at the top. See, this is at the bottom. No, I want at the center. So select this. Come here. This portion. You'll bring at the center. Now you increase the size. Yeah, 3.46. This is rectangular portion. Now similarly, I'll again select all the three here. I'll say merge at center. Now I'll write here footing trapezoidal portion. Trapezoidal portion. Okay, fine. And then you select here. Go for the wrap text, make it bold, and this you can change. Okay, done. And then this also you merge in this way. Fine. Okay. Now how you will find the trapezoidal portion? This formula you need to put. So before applying the formula, we should know what is the bottom area, the top area and all. So directly I'll connect my formulas here. Okay. Just concentrate how it is to be done. I'll say equal to sign. First is your open bracket. What is H? H is here 0.25. You divide this by 3, write 3. Then you close the bracket. Okay. Then use this multiplication sign. Then open the bracket 2 times. Done. What is written here? Okay, I think this will wait. We'll do one thing because this will become more complicated now. So what I'll do now, I'll just make a separate this thing and we'll note down all these things. So I'll make one small thing here. Okay, I'll write here. I'll make this for bottom area and then for top area. I'll make this. I'll write this as okay, 2 column is enough for me. I'll merge at center. I'll write here. This is bottom area. Okay, bottom area. Just increase the size and this you merge at center. What is this bottom area? Bottom area will be 3.8 into 2.6. Okay, bottom area I got. Now similarly I'll take this, I'll merge it. Okay, I'll write top area. I'll write top area. Okay, so for top area, how you are supposed to do? We know that for top area, how you will do? That is this top area I'm speaking. Okay, one is towards the length side and towards the breadth side you're supposed to do. So what we can do directly here, you can do. I'll open the bracket. Okay, so what is how do you find the area? For that, first you have to take this portion, that is column offset 0.075 plus, wait, 26 is coming. Okay, okay, I hope you are able to understand. Okay, I'll write here. See, otherwise you can instead of top area, you can even separate this and you can say that is top length side and top breadth side. That also can be done. So I'll do that also for our easiness. Okay, you can do it the way you want. Okay, I'll make one more column here this way. I'll merge this and also I'll merge this part. Okay, I'll write this as top length side. Okay, and then this will be my top breadth side, so that it is easy for you to understand. And this will merge, this will merge. Okay, so what is this top length side? Top length side will be, what is the offset? 0.075 plus, I'll consider the length side to be this one, 0.5, or even you can change it here. You can take anything, doesn't matter. Okay, I'll take 0.4 plus 0.075. Okay, so I'm getting 0.55. Same we got it here. You remember 0.55. Next again equal to top breadth side, again same thing, 0.075 plus this time 0.5 plus 0.075. Enter 0.65. You can see here we got 0.65 here. Okay, fine. Now top area will be how much? Top area will be top length side. You multiply this by top breadth side. Okay, so I'm getting 0.3575. I'll reduce this 0.36. You saw? Can you understand? See, 0.36 we had got. Now since we have made a very good table, no, that is why everything looks great now. So you can make it bold, increase the size of this. This you can, here also you can. Okay, this will merge. This also will merge. Yeah, this you can take at the center portion. Okay, and this you can give one. Okay, this portion merge at center, and then at the top, then you can give one column here, thick box girder. I mean, thick box you can give. This also you can give. Take it at the center, chain this part. Okay, so once you do this, no, everything is done. Now there's no problem. Now putting trapezoidal portion, quickly we can get the answer. Okay, equal to sign H. H first is open bracket. Remember the formula, open bracket. So h is 0.25. I'll divide it by 3. This is the formula, close the bracket. Okay, then multiplication, 2 times open the bracket. So first you have to take the AB. AB is your bottom area. Okay, bottom area and the top area you have to take, right? So what is the bottom area? So this is my bottom area. You bottom area plus top area, this one. Close the bracket. Okay, then plus square root, right? SQRT, square root, and then open bracket. Okay, it is written open bracket. So in open bracket, what you're supposed to do, you have to take again AB, that is the bottom area, 9.88. You multiply this by top area, 0.36. Close the bracket, 2 times, hit the enter button. You can see 1.009 has come. Finally, we got that answer. Exactly, 1.01. So how much we had got previously? 1.01, 1.01. Now you increase this. Okay, so you understand, if you understand one, fine. So footing concrete area is done. And then footing trapezoidal portion is done. I'll make one more column here. Okay, this way I'll merge it center. I'll write total concrete. Total concrete for footing. I'll write for footing. Okay, or trapezoidal footing. Anything is okay. So concrete spelling, make it as E. Done. So now you take it to the center, make it bold, wrap the text, and now change it to the way you want. Fine. Now again, select all three, merge at center, take it at the center. What you're supposed to do? Equal to sign 3.46 plus 1.01. Done. 4.47 cubic meter is the answer. Okay. So if you want, you can even mention here that it will be cubic meter. Done. 4.47 is a cubic meter, what I'm supposed to get, this much concrete. Now last, what is left out? Shuttering quantity is left out. I'll make it a bit nice. What we can do is, we'll merge this part also. Yeah. And this part, this part, this part, this part, this part. Give it a column, fine. And last we'll do this thing. Yeah. Total shuttering quantity. Yeah. Done. Again, if you want, then you write here. If you cannot write, come here, open bracket, and write this will be in square meter. Close the bracket. Okay. And then 6 here, click here, go to wrap text, make it bold, and change the font. Done. Square meter is good. Square meter. Done. Now what is that formula? Equal to sign. Formula was 2 into length plus breadth. What is the length? 3.8 plus breadth is 2.6. Sorry, 2.6. Okay. Close the bracket. Now multiply this by the depth. So depth of the footing, that is a rectangular portion. This is not 0.6. You should not take 0.6. 0.6 is overall. You have to take 0.35. No, only the rectangular portion. Close the bracket. It's not working. Yeah, 4.48. How much we got? 4.48. Now again, okay, concrete quantity and this quantity is same for us. Shuttering quantity, yeah, almost same, no? 1.01 and this was 3. Yeah, fine. So now, yeah. Yeah. So finally, you got everything. See, now if you want, you can even decorate this part. Okay. I'll share this Excel sheet. Usually I don't share. You try to prepare on your own because it's always good if you prepare. Okay. So that is why I'm not sharing. I'll select this part in this way. Now I prepared this Excel sheet. Now you give me any drawing, I can quickly do any footing. And then if you want, you can change the color of that. Since it's the input portion, then you go with a ball box, all border. Done. Finish. So now you see, we just now, for example, I have a footing, which is everything is correct, no? 4.48. Let me verify that and manually done this. Yeah, it's correct. No problem in that. Okay, fine. Now let us say I have a footing whose length is 5 meter, whose breadth is, let us say, 3.2 meter, and whose that depth is 0.8 meter, and that D will be, let us say, 0.4. Automatically this will change. Okay, 0.8 minus 0.4 is 0.4. Let us say I have a column of 600, 0.6, and the depth of my column is, let us say, 0.45. Okay, and that column offset, this offset, okay, this offset is, let us say, it is 100.0.1. Done. You don't have to do anything. You got to answer. Your footing concrete, you do it as an assignment. Try to do it manually and let me know whether you are getting the same answer or not. So footing concrete rectangular, you should get 6.40. Trapezoidal portion, you should get 2.59. Total concrete quantity will be almost 9 cubic meter, and shuttering quantity will be 6.56. Let me quickly do for the shuttering since it is easy for me to do. I'll do that manually. Let me do that. That will be 2 into 5 plus 3.2 into 0.4. Yeah, I'm getting 6.56. Same thing I'm getting here, 6.56. Even this, the rectangular portion also I can verify. 5 into 3.2 into 0.8 you do. 5 into 3.2 into 0.8. So yes, 12. Okay. No, no. Sorry, 0.4 you have to do, not 0.8, because D is that rectangular portion. No. Yeah. See, this is where we go wrong. So it should be 0.4. Yeah, 6.4 I'm getting, 6.4 I got. Trapezoidal portion, you apply the formula and do it manually. Let me know. The top area you should get. Top area, obviously, we'll get 16 only. Bottom area, okay. Bottom area will be 16. Top area will be 0.52. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. How it is 16? 5 into 3.2 will give me 16. How it is 0.52? 0.52 will be 0.6 plus, yeah, 0.6 plus 0.1 plus 0.1. And then, yeah, it is written here, no, 0.8, and then 0.45 plus 0.1 plus 0.1, 0.65. So 0.8 into 0.65 will give me 0.52. Yeah, everything I have done manually. Yeah, 0.52. This is how you are supposed to find the concrete quantity for the slope footing. Now, you get any drawing here onwards. See, these are the drawings what I have, but this is in feet and inches. Now you can get everything just by looking. You got an idea. See, this is 10 inches what they have given. Convert this into mm. So 10 inches comes out to be 25. That is 250 mm. This height is 250. 2 feet, that is 600 mm. This is 1 feet, that is 300 mm. So this I can get, and with this I can find the entire area. So if you want, I can take this as an assignment and do it. I'll do it. Okay. We'll take this as an assignment, not assignment. For this, we'll try to find the concrete and the shuttering quantity. So we'll convert everything instead of 6 feet. Okay, this is 6 feet, this is 7 feet. Okay, convert 6 feet in terms of meter. It's very simple. See, 1 feet, I told you, 1 feet is 300 mm, which is 0.3 meter. Okay, that's it. You just have to multiply 6 into 0.3, which will be 1.8. 7 into 0.3, which is 2.1, and then these things you input in the Excel sheet. We'll quickly do that. So length is mine. Quickly, what is the length? Wait, I'll take this drawing only. I'll bring this drawing there. We'll find for this. Yeah. Okay, fine. So this will be 6 into, if you want, I'll do it here. 6 into 0.3. So it is 1.8. So my breadth is, okay, length I'll do. Length I'll take 7, not 6. Okay. Always the longer portion should be the length, the shorter will be your breadth. So this will be again how much? 6 into 0.3. So it is 1.8. What is the depth? So depth, yeah. So this depth is overall depth 2 feet. 2 feet in the sense, how much it is? 2 into 0.3. So it is, okay, wait. So why these things comes? The reason is that this you are not applied the formula. So always you have to give either plus or equal to symbol. Only then your Excel sheet will work. So 0.6 will come. What is small d? Small d is 1 feet. Again, I'll delete that, equal to a plus sign 0. Yeah. So how much it is? 1 feet. 1 into 0.3. So it is 0.3. Right? Yeah. 1 feet is 300 mm. So 0.3 meter. This automatically it will take 0.6 minus 0.3 is 3. And what is the breadth of your column? So breadth of the column, it is not mentioned here, but for time being, we'll consider The breadth of my column is 600. I'll consider 0.5 this time. And the depth of my column is 0.23, let us consider. Okay, well, the breadth I'll consider 0.23 and depth I'll consider 0.45. Okay, and the column offset, it is mentioned. See, 10 inches is given. 10 inches you convert in terms of this thing. So how do you convert 10 inches? So 10 into 0.0254. Now it is not 0.3. For feet, it is 0.3 conversion. For inches, it is how much? For inches, it is 0.024 because one inch is 25.4 mm or 0.0254 meter. Okay. Yeah. So it is, yeah, wait. So 10 inch in terms of meter, yeah, 0.254. So this 10 inch in terms of meter, it is 0.254. Okay. Yeah, fine. Now you see, you got the answer. For this particular footing, you got a total concrete quantity of 1.75 cubic meter and total shuttering I required 2.34 square meter. Got it? So in this way, we have prepared the Excel sheet. You also prepare the same Excel sheet. And now whatever footing, if I give you, within a fraction of second, you can get the answer. That's it. So I hope you have enjoyed my lecture up to here. We'll see you back in the next lecture. Thank you.